everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today's 2-minute tip is a quick review for you, something I've been using in the craft room for a little while, and I wanted to give you my thoughts on it. I've heard mixed reviews, so I bought my own and I wanted to share them with you. You may or may not like this tool. As I always say, things are completely personal, but maybe you've been looking at it and you're thinking, should I buy it? Well, I'm going to give you my 2 cents on that one. So this is the glue sponge. It came out of Creativation this year. I heard, oh my goodness, you need this thing. It's the greatest thing ever. The idea is a sponge submerged with glue. Yes, we could probably make our own version too. So I bought one and I've been using it. It's okay. Do I love it as much as my highlighter method with the Nuvo? No, because I find that is just so easy. One thing you'll also notice, well, one thing I'm going to say is it has quite a strong smell. The other thing is, if you look at this one, a lot of the glue seems to sink to the bottom, and short of actually taking it out and moving my sponge around all the time, which is pretty messy to do, haven't found it that great because it doesn't seem to stay as sticky as I want it. Like on the top right now, it's not that sticky. So what I would have to do is like peel this out, try and pick it up and then turn it around and then leave it for a little while so that the glue comes back to the top, or you really kind of have to press to make that glue come up to the surface. So the premise of it is, if you have a delicate die cut, and I'm just going to make myself the equivalent of something small and delicate. So if I have this little piece here, so rather than having to get my glue out and do little tiny dots, or having to use, you know, special tapes or anything like that, you can just do this, press it down, and then it gets covered in glue on the back. And you can see it's a little bit patchy is one thing I have found. And then you stick it down on here, which is a bit of a messy method. And I have found that the glue itself isn't that great. I've had things that have peeled up afterwards. So for me, it's a miss, unfortunately, rather than a hit. I would go back to using my Nuvo precision pen method. You can check that video out, and we can link it in that top right hand corner for you. You just use it like a highlighter on a kitchen towel or a silicone mat or an easy clean mat, and you just literally, off you go, and it's super strong adhesive, and I love it. It still dries clear, and I don't have any of these issues with mess. You can see that this is just not sticking down. So for me, this unfortunately was a miss product. I think it could be great with a little bit of refinement, but I hope you enjoyed my hit or miss 2-minute tip. Do check out the rest of this playlist too, and check out the rest of the channel. Be sure to hit subscribe, ring the bell, those fun things. We have a video for you every single day. So we have lots of tips, tricks, tutorials, so maybe something a little bit different sometimes as well. So check all of those out. And as always, I'll see you again tomorrow. Happy crafting. Bye.